Reliance has announced its affordable smartphone in partnership with Google, and it will be called JioPhone Next. The phone was announced during Reliance AGM and it is going to be available in India starting September 10. In fact, this will be an India specific smartphone. It will first come to India, and in this video we're going to talk about all the features, specifications, in fact the design of this phone as well, and we are going to discuss about its possible pricing. So please watch this video till the very end. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. So Jio and Google had entered a partnership a while ago, and ever since then we have been hearing about this new smartphone that these two tech giants of their own can bring to India, and we finally have the first look and details of this phone. As I told you, the JioPhone Next, which was announced during Reliance AGM, will be available in India starting September 10. Now, what do we know about this smartphone? Let me start with the design. We have few images of JioPhone Next, and let me start from the back panel itself. It is going to be a black color smartphone. The rear panel that we have is black and it looks like it is made out of plastic. On top, what you have is a single camera. So this phone is likely to come with just one camera, and you can also see that there is the resolution written just under the camera lens, but it's not really readable. So you're going to get a single camera setup on JioPhone Next. In the middle you have the JioPhone, the Jio branding, and at the bottom, and this is a very interesting placement for the speaker because that's where you get the speaker. You can also look at the side panel and you can see the volume button as well as the power button which are there. Also, there is another picture that we have of the phone where one of the sides is actually in blue color and not in black. So there is a chance that you can actually have multiple color variants of this smartphone. Now, coming to the front side, what we can see here clearly is that there are thick bezels both on the top as well as at the bottom. You have very thick bezels. The side bezels are still quite slim, but the chin and the head are quite thick. Also, you have a camera on the front as well alongside a LED flash, and there is also a earpiece at the top is what you get. And you of course get Jio and Google apps pre-installed. As you can see in the image, there is the My Jio app as well as Gmail, Play Store. All those apps will be pre-installed within the phone. We also have access to how the camera app on the JioPhone Next will look like. As you can see here, there are multiple options within the camera app. You will get the portrait mode, you will get the photo and video modes, as well as there is a translate mode which you can see, which might be to translate text into images and other things. Also, the camera app supports HDR. So that is an interesting bit here. Even though we are expecting that the JioPhone will be quite affordable, it will still support HDR. There is also a night mode and a flash on the app. Also, there's a Snapchat button at the bottom, so maybe they are planning to integrate it with Snapchat, wherein you can directly share the images, but that's again a speculation. We don't have any confirmation about it yet. There'll be of course Google Assistant support on this phone. So the JioPhone Next will support Google Voice Assistant feature as well. In fact, we also have access to one of the front camera samples with us, and this is how the picture looks like. We have a basic idea about the picture quality on the front camera. Now, what do you think about this picture? What do you think is how the quality is? Let me know in the comments section, because this is one interesting bit that Jio has sort of teased here. Now, Jio and Google have also confirmed that JioPhone Next users will keep getting Android and other updates on a regular basis to give you a more secure experience. So now, all in all, this is what we know about the JioPhone Next right now. You have an idea about its design, the camera app, also how the image quality from the front camera may look like. As I told you, this phone will go on sale or will be up for pre-orders starting September 10th. Jio has not announced the price of the phone. And that is going to be an interesting bit, because we have seen in the past that Jio has done different things to sell its phones. When the first Jio phone was launched, it was priced at rupees 1500, and Jio announced that anybody who buys that phone will actually get a refund whenever they return the phone back. And similar thing happened with the Jio Phone 2, which was priced at rupees 3000 and came with a QWERTY keypad. Now this one is slightly different because there is of course a smartphone and not a feature phone. Also interesting bit, there were a lot of reports suggesting that Jio and Google might actually launch a 5G smartphone. So this is not that phone. This one will only support 4G connectivity. So as far as the price goes, I think it should still cost you less than rupees 5000, and that would make this phone very affordable and accessible for a lot of Indian users who are still stuck with feature phones and cannot afford a smartphone. So that's what I think could the possible pricing be. But right now the idea looks very promising. Of course, this is not going to have the latest of the hardware or top of the line specifications. The hardware is going to be very basic, but I think a lot of users in India still don't have access to even that hardware. And if this partnership gets successful, it becomes successful, then there are endless opportunities for both Jio and Google. Jio has the potential to disrupt the smartphone industry, and who knows, we might even see more Jio smartphones in the future. But what are your thoughts? I want to know from you guys, because at the end of the day, you are the end users, you are the ones who define the entire smartphone market. So what do you think about this Jio phone? Do you think it's going to be successful? What do you think its pricing should be? And do you think that Jio should bring more smartphones to India? Let us know all of that in the comments section. Also, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel. We have reached 1 lakh subscribers and the next target is 2 lakh subscribers. So help us get there. Also tap on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates from our side.